Looking for hot-selling dropshipping beauty products? Here are 5 top picks your customers will love. The vegan lip liner set is perfect for creating precise, long-lasting lip looks. Smooth and easy to apply, it defines lips beautifully and keeps color vibrant all day. The 6-color vegan concealer is lightweight and moisturizing, hiding blemishes while keeping skin flawless. Its blendable formula ensures a natural, radiant finish. The waterproof setting spray keeps makeup fresh and smudge-free, even in heat or humidity. It locks in your look, ensuring long-lasting flawless coverage. The pink shimmer lip gloss is vibrant, glossy, and long-lasting. Its smooth, non-sticky texture adds shine and fullness for irresistible lips. Perfect for daytime glam or evening sparkle. The 6-color pressed powder offers multi-shade coverage and controls shine. It blends easily for a smooth, flawless finish that lasts all day. Ideal for creating a natural or polished look effortlessly. These are 5 best-selling dropshipping beauty products ready to sell. Start sourcing them today on Doba and grow your business.